What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I have something really cool for you here today. This is a system called Just Add Power. Basically, you can take any number of televisions. In this particular situation, we got some 4 panels here on the wall from Sony, but you could use 30 panels, 100 panels, make this as big as you want. So it's super cool, and it can work with any television system. Basically, it'll give you a nice big image. You can also have them independently selectable. So like, for example, if you wanted to watch 4 games, you could have game here, game here, game here, all independently controllable. It's pretty sweet. If you guys aren't one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. All right, let's get into this. All right, check it out, guys. You can see it seamlessly blends all of the televisions together, producing one really nice big image. And again, this is expandable to as many panels as you'd like. Now let me talk a little bit about the hardware that drives it. Basically, you have your transmitters, and then you have your receivers that work over PoE. So you would plug in, let me actually flip this around to the back. We're using a Blu-ray as an example, and a Luxol switch for PoE. But let me spin this around so that you guys can see the back and actually understand how it works. All right, here's the back of the unit. So essentially, you have one cable coming out of your Blu-ray player right here, being fed to the transmitter. And you see how there's HDMIs on all of these units? Basically, what you can do is have as many sources as you want. In this case, there's just one for display purposes or demo purposes. But you could have different sources all hooked up, and then you got your control. In this situation, we're using an RTI processor, but you could use Control 4 or URC or really anything to control it. And then it splits out to your televisions, which are right here. Pretty freaking cool. You can see we just have it set up very simply for demo. Okay, so there's a lot of different solutions you could use this for. You could use this for your own home, and say your living room or your theater room. You could use this in your office. You could use this in a bar situation. You can use it for a lot of different solutions. So if you guys think that this would work for you, or you would like pricing, make sure you give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd be happy to put together a system design for you. We are expanding our installer network out into many different parts of the country, so make sure to request a custom installer for your area so that you can ensure that it's set up properly. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, covering this product right here, Just Add Power. Thanks for watching, guys.